ANewR, Everyday newer. The EV's effectiveness. Air quality. From the subject is the undeniable health and well-being issue. One of the suggesting measures is the electric vehicles, EVs. But here, we should be alarmed that dealing with carbon emission for air quality is somewhat different from dealing with the climate change risk. The EV's effectiveness is all based on the aim we target to assess. Vehicular emission poses health risks to bystanders. Another seemingly remote source of air pollution is marine and air transports. Far away as it may seem, Scholar unveils that we had 70% of ship emissions within 400 kilometers of land. Marine transport is no less during the COVID-19 period. It is the cheaper means of transport if compared with air freight. That is why the shipping demand increases because of globalization, which is becoming the origin of pollution. The electric vehicle is an alternative technology that produces less waste and is less harmful to well-being, recognized by today's news. Figures from one of the intelligent energy management solution providers has shown that EVs may potentially reach the targets of reducing over 97% of NOx, 90% of carbon emission and 66% of particulate emissions. EVs development issues are still at the early stage as a whole. With such an alluring good number of potentially reduced, why is the adoption of the EV's technologies slow? The answer may be found at the pillars of design philosophy. The pillars of design philosophy segments different stages of building an EV's compatible program. Each step has to meet certain specifications to implement the EV's infrastructure, whether the grid can support the EV's facilities, the depot characteristics, what charging strategy is suitable, the connectivity, equipment and maintenance such as charger care and connectivity services. All of these explains well the likely high cost incurred for EV's adoption and the difficulty. All of the above are proposed based on the clean air subject. Does it necessarily imply EVs dealing with the more thorny issue, climate change?